Good morning, Ashley.
Good morning.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
You're how old today?
25.
Wow, it's already begun. She's at the age where she's perpetually 25 now. Good morning, Wayfam, from Port Townsend in Washington State in the United States. I'm Josh.
I'm Ashley. Welcome to our channel.
That's right. This is the Way Away. We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the Way Away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, hit that little bell, and give us a like to follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. Today we are on Ashley's birthday excursion.
With the fam bam.
With all the fams. We had planned to go to some hot springs and do other stuff.
I was hoping to be in my birthday suit today, but...
for her birthday. But it's closed. There was like a washout, and we have kids with us. We didn't want to walk the 10 miles. So we're here at a place called Fort Warden.
My second favorite, so
and
my number 2.
We're going to explore that. It's like an old abandoned military fort here on the Puget. Is this the Puget Sound still?
We're on the Olympic Peninsula.
Olympic Peninsula. I want to say it's still the Puget Sound, but it was for World War II to keep submarines at bay, which never happened. But
it's a really cool space because you can actually go through the fort and stuff. It's not all like blocked off. So I really enjoy it.
Let's go exploring with Josh.
And Ashley.
Abandoned bunkers.
And the fam.
Okay, we're coming on our first bunker. Why do you love exploring bunkers so much?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you never really find that much in them, but I just find it really exciting. Yeah. I like that you can get into them, you know? Like,
yeah, because it kind of feels like you shouldn't.
Kind of have freedom, yeah. It's like exploring abandoned places. That's what it feels like.
It's a national park,
but
it's a
you
state
won't
park.
get in trouble for it.
Yeah. And that's that for this one. It's a box. We almost lost a kid on that one.
I just need a knee. I have small legs.
Yeah, I'm down for lunch. This is beautiful.
Do it.
Is that Canada over there? We're not that close.
So.
It's like an hour or 2 ferry ride from here, I want to say.
Not very far, yeah. Well, not from here, but like maybe 45 minutes from here.
Oh, we still have to go farther north for the ferry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But still, Canada's nearby.
Really close.
Sounds nice. Not bad at all. If you can see right there, there's a bunch of bolts in that circle. And there's tons of these gunnery mounts all across the forts. That holds a huge gun, like an artillery cannon essentially. And they would aim out over the water here. And they were there just in case any German U-boats or even Japanese U-boats would make it here during World War II. It was a safety measure that thankfully never needed to be used, but now we have really cool old bunkers to explore. Oh yeah, very dark. Do I have any flashlight?
Cool, this is crazy. Like this is cool. They're having a dance party. Woo! Good dancing! Oh yeah! That's too crazy.
Are you feeling good about your decision for your birthday so far?
Yeah, I love it. It's so nice outside. I don't know how we got such a perfect day.
How many times have you been here though?
My lifetime, I don't know a lot. But I really like it every time. I don't get tired of it. I think it's really cool and super unique. Like, and there are not a lot of people out here. It's kind of like just us. I would recommend if you come to Washington, this is an awesome thing to do.
Yeah, it's a little bit out of the way, but up the street is actually a thing called the Lavender Festival. Do they still do that?
Not too far. Yeah, but it's only once a year.
Right, so like if you were to come to the Lavender Festival, which is very popular,
Not very far from here.
then yeah, definitely come up to Port Townsend.
It's a free thing to do, you know, like
Well, you have to pay
for parking.
Yeah.
That's it. But it's a Washington State Park. So actually we got lucky today because all Washington State parks are free.
It's a holiday.
For Martin Luther King Day. Where are you? Hello? Where is it?
I do love how it's like a good mix of just nature and exploration, and we get to see a bit of history. There's placards everywhere that talk about the war and why a certain area was named a certain thing. Standard like museum wartime stuff. But it's cool that I keep it up. It's been repainted a few times. I've even seen what looks to be like re-poured concrete sections just to kind of keep it nice. But it's interesting. I don't know of any like fee to get in here other than the parking. So I don't know if the parking pays for that or if there's like a grant. But this place has been around since we were children. Like we came here when we were kids.
Yeah.
And of course it was much scarier than to run around into the dark hallways and think there was monsters and bad guys hanging out.
It's super fun to bring my niece and nephew here who are really young.
Wait, didn't you have something to say, Jacob? Oh,
Hi, Canfield.
Hi, Canfield. Oh yeah.
Well, I think I have.
No, I'm not. Oh, it's not too dark. There's one just around the corner that's like pitch black inside. Look at all the moths.
Oh wow.
Look at me. Did you see all these moths? Hiding out for the winter. Yeah?
There's a secret back behind the door. Scary sound.
Let's go.
Up there?
Into the sunlight.
So we came down to the water in Port Townsend. It's such a cute little town and the water's so clear. So right now we're just having fun with the kids. With kids, everything seems just more fun. Even though I have fun without them, it's more fun with them too.
Yeah, you're not so much exploring and adventuring today as you are just hanging out with family in a beautiful place in the world.
Yeah, I have a pocket full of rocks that Brisbane picked out.
Oh.
It's more like sea glass that we found together, so I'm keeping it in my pocket for her jewelry box later. And
Nice.
yeah, it's just fun being with family, and yeah, I like it.
You having a good birthday then?
Yeah, I love coming down to the water and the sun setting over the mountains. It's so beautiful here.
me to push you in?
No, I'll push you in.
I think that's what just happened.
Yeah.
The downtown of Port Townsend is full of lots of little shops, a lot of quaint stuff. They kind of got the Pinterest vibe going on, so a lot of crafts and that sort of thing, as well as secondhands and dining rooms, coffee shops. There's a tea house over here where you can go taste lots of different stuff. Everyone's just like running around looking at stuff. It's pretty fun.
That hurt my back playing with them. I know.
Saying goodbye to Port Townsend and a beautiful day.
That was amazing. I loved it. Now we're headed back home. We have like, what, over an hour drive?
Yeah, it's pretty far.
Yeah.
All right, Ashley handily beat us all.
I'm working on my strategy on this game, and thankfully it worked this time. We'll see if it works again.
draws.
But I got really lucky.
Yeah, you got like 15s, 20s, all that.
Lucky draws.
And then, oh, a
This
birthday
is my
cake.
birthday cake. Ice cream cake.
Nice, look at this thing.
My mom makes these delicious ice cream cakes, and everybody gets one for their birthday.
Everybody ready to sing?
Oh, you want to sit on my lap?
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.